Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming your watch has a tachymeter scale and a running seconds chronograph. This is essential. Choose a measured distance, like 1 km or 1 mile, because the tachymeter reads speed per that distance. At the start line, press the chronograph pusher to start the seconds hand. Do it when you pass the marker, not before. This synchronizes time and distance, so the bezel reading later gives a direct speed once started. Keep a steady pace and focus on the finish point. Once done, stop the chronograph the instant you cross the finish, so the seconds hand aligns precisely with a tachymeter number. Read the bezel value under the seconds hand. This number is speed in units per hour for the distance you used, because the scale converts elapsed seconds to hourly rate. If your run took more than 60 seconds, divide the distance or use a shorter segment and repeat. This keeps the seconds within the scale range and yields an accurate tachymeter reading. To finish, convert the tachymeter result to your desired unit if necessary. Multiply km/h by 0. 6,214 for mph. For better accuracy, run the same measured distance several times and average the tachymeter values. This reduces random timing error. If results look wrong, make sure the chronograph hand is fully stopped and the bezel index is clean. Reset the chronograph to 0 and repeat the measurement. A single troubleshoot.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.